Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Grinder is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless grinders on the market, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In this video, we will deep dive into its performance, features, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right tool for your next project, considering its power, battery life, and safety features. Number 5. Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel Grinder. This is the new Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel Grinder. It's designed for maximum power and extended motor life. It features a POWRSTAT brushless motor, delivering unmatched power and up to 10 times longer motor life than traditional brushed motors. RedLink Plus Intelligence provides optimized performance and overload protection, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting durability. The compatible Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack, sold separately, provides superior performance, delivering twice the runtime and extended work capacity. It's the world's first cordless grinder that delivers the same performance as corded models, making it ideal for demanding tasks. It boasts the same durable metal housing and gearing system as our legendary corded grinders, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. With its 100% tool-free design, you can easily change accessories and adjust the guard without needing any additional tools. The comfortable paddle switch design makes it easy to use in various positions, reducing fatigue during extended use. What we like. It boasts a powerful brushless motor that provides exceptional performance and an incredibly long lifespan. If you demand the power of a corded grinder without the cord, and need a tool that will last, this is the one for you. This grinder is perfect for professionals who need a reliable and durable tool that can withstand heavy use. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 18V Grinder. This powerful grinder is built for durability and ease of use. Its innovative design makes tough jobs easier than ever before. The paddle switch is easily activated, even with gloves on, providing convenient control and safety. This ensures effortless operation in any situation. It features debris baffles that prevent debris from clogging internal components, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. This extends its lifespan and ensures consistent performance. Adjust the guard quickly and easily with a simple push of a button. This allows for versatile cutting applications at various angles. The included 3-position side handle provides maximum stability and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. This ensures a comfortable and secure grip. It's compatible with a range of M18 18V lithium-ion batteries, offering flexibility and convenience. This means you can use your existing batteries. The powerful 4-pole motor delivers maximum power for efficient cutting and grinding. It tackles even the toughest jobs with ease. It has built-in overload protection to prevent damage to both the tool and the battery. This safeguards your investment and ensures long-term reliability. What we like. The ergonomic paddle switch makes operation comfortable and easy, even with gloves. Its innovative design prevents debris from damaging internal components, ensuring a longer lifespan. If ease of use and tool longevity are your priorities, this grinder is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who value convenience and durability in their tools. What people say. Great quality tool, wish it had the variable speed switch, otherwise an excellent grinder. Regardless of the brand, grinders take a lot of battery. This grinder is way good, for small-medium jobs. If you are doing large jobs, a 110-volt cable grinder would be better. I use this every day at work with a 5Ah battery, for grinding off dicer off of fixtures on RV roofs. I can do about 10 or so fixtures before my battery needs changed. I have a regular grinder, but I wanted no cord in the way when I attached my Binford 5000 chainsaw carving blade onto this sleek device. It handles the chainsaw blade like a champ. Remember, no bearing down into the wood. You will likely regret it. Glide smoothly over the surface and it will remove wood. Shield gives good protection from the aggressive blade, which will eat up batteries, by the way, so keep one on the charger. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Grinder. This powerful grinder is perfect for a variety of applications. It's built to handle tough jobs and provides excellent control. This refurbished grinder has been thoroughly tested and certified. It looks and works like new, ready to tackle your next project. It undergoes functionality testing, cleaning, inspection, and repackaging to ensure quality. You're getting a reliable tool at a great value. Everything you need is included. It ships with all relevant accessories, so you can get started right away. While it may arrive in a generic box, the quality and performance are top-notch. You'll receive a fully functional tool. It features a convenient no-lock paddle switch for ease of use and safety. This ensures comfortable and controlled operation. It's compatible with both 4-to-1, 2 and 6 discs, giving you versatility for various tasks. This makes it adaptable to different jobs. What we like. This option provides excellent value for money. It has been thoroughly tested and is guaranteed to perform like a brand new tool. If you're on a budget but still need a reliable grinder, this is a great option. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts or those who need a backup grinder without breaking the bank. What people say. Does great in both applications. Battery life is better than expected while using the 9.0 Ah batteries with the grinder. Very nice construction and easy to change out grinding discs or wheels. I really like the versatility of the grinder to switch from 4-to-1, 2-to-6 on the fly. Very powerful and rugged grinders. Braking system is excellent. This grinder is the best grinder I've ever purchased and I own around 15 of them. I have a different model of Milwaukee Fuel 18V grinder that I love, but this one has twice the power. It cuts through metal without bogging down at all. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 2680 Grinder Kit. It delivers maximum power for efficient cutting and grinding. Experience unmatched performance in your hand. Enjoy the portability and ease of use it offers. Work anywhere without being tied down to a power cord. The comfortable paddle switch makes it easy to use in any position. It's designed for all-day comfort. Its durable construction and L-shaped intake vents protect it from debris. It's ready to tackle any job. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the tool, battery, and charger. It's a complete grinding solution. Experience the ultimate combination of power and portability with this cordless grinder. Get the job done efficiently and comfortably. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started: tool, battery, and charger. It delivers impressive power for efficient grinding and cutting. If you need a ready-to-go solution that's both powerful and convenient, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free experience and a complete grinding solution. What people say. Excellent tool, very powerful, 5/8 universal shaft compatible with many discs. Lightweight and comfortable to use. I have used it 3 times so far and very satisfied with the performance. It is quiet and runs smoothly. Number 1. Milwaukee 2880-20 Angle Grinder. This is the Milwaukee 2880-2018 V cordless angle grinder. It's powerful and versatile, perfect for various applications. Experience incredible speed with its 8,500 RPM motor. It'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. The innovative paddle switch design provides superior control and comfort during operation. It's easy to use and reduces fatigue. Adjust the guard without any tools. It's quick, easy, and saves you valuable time. Changing accessories is a breeze. No tools are needed, making it simple and convenient. It features an electronic clutch for enhanced safety and control. This protects both the user and the workpiece. What we like. This grinder offers an impressive 8,500 RPM for fast and efficient work. The tool-free design allows for quick adjustments and accessory changes, saving you valuable time. If speed and efficiency are your top priorities, this is the grinder for you. It's perfect for professionals who need to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. What people say. This tool came new and had never been opened before I received it. Herramienta versatile y ergonómico el freno de disco lo mejor. Funciona de maravilla, es ligero y muy potente. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.